Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Exploring the impact of U.S. election results on energy stocks, we delve into the market's reaction as DJT shares surge following Trump's second-term victory. Qualcomm's Q4 results have sent its stock soaring, while ARM Holdings faces a slump after reporting Q2 earnings. SolarEdge Technologies struggles with significant EPS and revenue misses, and Mercado Libre experiences a share slide despite 35% revenue growth and beating expectations by $30 million. Meanwhile, Qualcomm files for an automatic mixed securities shelf, and Western Midstream Partners reports lower-than-expected earnings and revenue figures. Stay tuned after this short ad break to learn more about these developments. The U.S. election results are in, and analysts are discussing energy stocks. Laura Starks suggests a Trump victory might boost sectors like liquefied natural gas and refining but could decrease climate funding. Power Hedge points out that reduced drilling regulations might benefit consumers, though investor returns are still uncertain. Long Player cautions about potential administrative inefficiencies and inflation risks under Trump policies.
Qualcomm shares jumped 9% following impressive fourth-quarter results. The company earned $2.69 per share, with revenue rising 19% to $10.24 billion. Automotive sales increased by 68%, and Internet of Things revenue grew by 22%. Qualcomm anticipates strong growth for fiscal year 2025, surpassing analyst expectations.
ARM Holdings shares fell by 2.5% following mixed second-quarter results. The company reported adjusted earnings of 30 cents per share, surpassing expectations, with revenue increasing 5% to $844 million. Royalty revenue rose 23%, while license revenue decreased 15%. Third-quarter forecasts slightly missed analyst estimates.
Shares in Trump Media and Technology Group surged up to 47% after Donald Trump's presidential win over Kamala Harris. Trading was halted 3 times due to volatility, but shares closed down on Tuesday and are now up between 27% and 30%. The company reported a third-quarter operating loss of $23.7 million on $1 million revenue, with no debt and $673 million in cash.
SolarEdge Technologies reported a third-quarter non-GAAP earnings per share of negative $15.30, missing estimates by $13.66. Revenue was $260.9 million, down 64% year-over-year, missing by nearly $10 million. Shares fell over 8%. Fourth-quarter revenue is projected between $180 million and $200 million, with solar segment revenues expected between $170 million and $190 million.
Mercado Libre shares fell by 15.1% after missing profit estimates in the third quarter. Revenue increased by 35%, with gross merchandise volume rising 14% to $12.9 billion. Earnings per share were $7.83, which was below the consensus of $9.85. Despite these setbacks, the company remains optimistic about growth in e-commerce and financial services across Latin America, especially in Brazil.
Mercado Libre reported third-quarter earnings per share of $7.83, missing estimates by $2.02. However, revenue rose 35.1% year-over-year to $5.31 billion, surpassing expectations by $30 million. Total payment volume increased 34% to $50.7 billion, while gross merchandise volume grew 14% to $12.9 billion year-over-year.
Qualcomm has filed for an automatic mixed securities shelf, enabling it to issue different types of securities. This move comes after strong fourth-quarter results that have increased the company's stock value. A recent licensing dispute is anticipated to be resolved soon.
Western Midstream Partners reported third-quarter earnings per share of 74 cents, missing by 8 cents. Revenue was $883.3 million, up 13.8% from the previous year, but fell short of expectations by $46.16 million. The company also appointed board member Brown as the new president and CEO. Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights and updates. Goodbye. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's been a pleasure until we meet again tomorrow. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.